How do you see that when people meet you? And I want to ask you this: when people meet you and they see you as a hero who's made this vaccine for the country and for Indians, how does that feel?
I mean, at least scientists are recognized in India now. At least Arnab recognizes the scientists now. So I think not only Shah Rukh Khan and others.
No. You're way beyond Shah. You're way beyond all the Bollywood stars, sir.
No, it's not for me. I'm a little old now. But this is recognition for the young generation of scientists. I want to get inspiration for the young scientists of this country, and that's very important. They also should feel that if I do good science, I'll also be recognized. That's the inspiration I want this country to take forward.
So true, so true. And when you say this, I think it's also inspiring the so many scientists who've, as I said, who may be Indians who are outside the country, who are studying or who are wanting to go out. And as you always say, that this is where you belong. You should work for the country, work for India. As you came back, and you've always stressed on that fact that use it for the country, use it for India. So I think that is clearly the message you would want to give out to the next generations to come.
That's a very good question, Sucharita. I'll tell you why. Now, when the Indians who are living in US want to come back, this is the right time for them. The reason is, one, the political system is changed, the regulatory system is changing, and now private equity and funding available. So I think every ecosystem is now well created now in the country right now. To be frank with you, that has shown that COVID vaccines, strategy, production of India's ahead of the game, all that given a confidence to the private equity and financial world. I think a lot of people will come now. A lot of people will come and they'll start the companies.
A lot of people will come, and I was told that Dr. Bagai wanted to ask you a question. If Dr. Bagai is here in the audience, okay. I think a lot of doctors are wanting to know this because they are the ones who've been meeting the patients directly. The patient interface has been with the doctors. So you've been making the vaccine, but the doctors have having to do all the explanation to the patients. So now, if I were to tell you to directly tell people who've been taking the vaccine, if you were to promote your own vaccine to them, how would you do that? How would you tell them that this is the lifesaver for you?
I mean, I'm not a good marketing guy. I'm only scientist. I'm not a good marketing guy. So maybe people like you are required in my company.
You will hire me? You can hire me.
Yes, I'll take
you can
permission of
you can hire me if you will allow me to be hired by you. No, but Dr. Ella, I think
science. We should talk science. We should talk science. We did one thing. We have a 400 people marketing team in the country. I think we are the largest private marketing company to beat the multinationals in India. And I'll tell you honestly, what we did with the doctors, we never talked about the price. We only talked about science. Science, what type of publication, what type of science we have done, how we have done trials in 25 countries in the world. We have 150 publications, we have patents. That's how we talked about it. Today, I think we are standing out well with the private practitioners in the country. We really stand out.